Imagine a world devoid of human life. Picture a once bustling city now eerily silent, its streets empty, its buildings standing as hollow reminders of a past civilization. The hustle and bustle of daily life have vanished, leaving behind a ghostly urban landscape. Streets are silent, buildings lie empty, and the echoes of human activity have faded into oblivion. The infrastructure, once teeming with life, now stands as a testament to what once was. The only sounds that break the silence are the whispers of the wind and the rustling of leaves as nature begins to reclaim its dominion. Vines creep up the sides of skyscrapers, and trees sprout through cracks in the pavement, turning the concrete jungle into a verdant forest. Now picture two souls, the last remnants of humanity, surviving against all odds. They wander through this desolate world, finding solace in each other's company amidst the ruins of a once thriving society. Could they, against the tide of extinction, repopulate the earth? This question lingers in the air, a beacon of hope and a challenge to their resilience. It's a question that sparks the imagination, a thought experiment with profound implications. What would it take for these two individuals to reignite the spark of human civilization? The idea, though a staple of science fiction, presents a daunting scientific puzzle. It challenges our understanding of biology, genetics, and the very essence of human survival. Repopulation isn't just about numbers, it's about genetic diversity, resource management, and the sheer will to survive against unimaginable odds. The genetic pool of just two individuals would be incredibly limited, raising questions about the viability of their offspring. Can love, in the face of oblivion, truly reseed the human race? Their bond would need to be unbreakable, their determination unwavering, as they face the monumental task of rebuilding a population from scratch. Let's delve into the science and explore the possibilities. What are the chances of success? What scientific breakthroughs would be necessary? Join us as we unravel this thought experiment of humanity in a world starting anew. At the heart of the repopulation question lies the intricate world of genetics. Our DNA, the very essence of who we are, holds the secrets to our past and the keys to our future. It's a complex code, a series of instructions that have been passed down through countless generations, shaping us into the individuals we are today. Each of us carries a unique blueprint, a code of life passed down through generations. This genetic blueprint is a mosaic of traits inherited from our ancestors, a testament to the diversity and adaptability of the human species. It is this diversity that has allowed us to thrive in a multitude of environments, from the frozen tundras to the scorching deserts. This genetic diversity, the subtle variations in our DNA, is key to a healthy and resilient population. It provides a buffer against diseases, environmental changes, and other challenges that may arise. Without this diversity, our ability to adapt and survive would be severely compromised. Inbreeding, the mating of closely related individuals, poses a significant threat to this delicate balance. Throughout history, we have seen the consequences of inbreeding in royal families and isolated communities. The lack of genetic diversity in these populations has often led to an increase in genetic disorders and a decrease in overall health and vitality. When genetic pools shrink, recessive genes, often carrying harmful mutations, have a higher chance of expressing themselves. These mutations can lead to a variety of genetic disorders, some of which can be debilitating or even fatal. The smaller the gene pool, the greater the risk of these harmful mutations becoming prevalent. This can lead to a higher prevalence of genetic disorders, weakening the population and hindering its growth. Genetic disorders can manifest in many ways, from physical deformities to metabolic issues, and can significantly impact the quality of life of those affected. In a small, isolated population, the effects of these disorders can be devastating. The smaller the starting population, the greater the risk, casting a long shadow over the hopes of our two survivors. As they look to rebuild and repopulate, the genetic challenges they face. The future of their lineage depends on maintaining as much genetic diversity as possible, ensuring the health and resilience of generations to come. Population growth is not a simple equation of 2 becoming 4, then 8, and so on. It's a complex dance between birth rates, death rates, and the availability of resources. In the beginning, our two survivors would face an uphill battle. Each generation would be small, vulnerable to disease and environmental factors. Maintaining even a stable population would be a challenge, let alone achieving significant growth. Generations would have to be incredibly lucky with high birth rates and low mortality for the population to inch upwards. The journey from two to a thriving population would be a long and perilous one, fraught with uncertainties at every turn. Repopulating the Earth demands more than just biological imperative. It requires rebuilding a civilization from scratch. Our survivors would need to master food production, shelter, healthcare, and countless other skills essential for survival. They would face the daunting task of recreating lost knowledge, from agriculture and medicine to basic engineering and tool-making. Each generation would inherit not only their genes, but also the accumulated knowledge and skills of their predecessors. Failure to pass on this crucial information could spell doom for the fledgling population, highlighting the importance of cultural inheritance alongside biological lineage. Section 5, Echoes of the Past, Population Bottlenecks in History. History offers glimpses into the challenges of rebuilding from a limited gene pool. Isolated populations, such as the indigenous people of Finland or the island dwellers of the Pacific, show signs of genetic bottlenecks in their past. These events, often triggered by migrations, natural disasters, or disease outbreaks, drastically reduce their ancestral populations, leaving behind telltale signs in their DNA. While these examples don't mirror the extremity of two individuals, they underscore the genetic vulnerabilities and adaptive challenges faced by populations recovering from such events. Section 6. The Ethics of Repopulation, a Moral Tightrope Walk. The question of repopulation isn't just scientific, it's deeply ethical. Is it morally justifiable for two individuals to potentially subject future generations to the risks of inbreeding and hardship? To burden their descendants with the daunting task of rebuilding a world almost lost? These are not questions with easy answers. They force us to confront our values, our responsibilities to future generations, and the very essence of what it means to be human in a world teetering on the brink. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon, Technological Solutions and Their Limits. Could technology offer a lifeline in this scenario? Genetic engineering, with its potential to diversify the gene pool and correct harmful mutations, might seem like a tempting solution. However, even the most advanced technology has its limits. The ethical implications of manipulating human genes on such a scale are profound and raise fundamental questions about our right to control the very building blocks of life. Furthermore, technology alone cannot solve the social and cultural challenges of rebuilding a civilization from the ground up. Section 8. The Resilience of Life, a Beacon of Hope. Despite the overwhelming odds, life, as we know it, possesses an incredible capacity for resilience and adaptation. From the smallest microorganisms to complex ecosystems, life finds a way to thrive in the most unexpected corners of our planet. Perhaps within this inherent tenacity lies a glimmer of hope for our two survivors. Their journey would be fraught with challenges, but the indomitable spirit of life, its ability to adapt and evolve, might just offer a fighting chance for the human race to rise again. Section 9, Conclusion, a universe of possibilities. The question of whether two people can repopulate the world is a tapestry woven from science, history, ethics, and a touch of imaginative speculation. This scenario, while seemingly far-fetched, invites us to delve deeper into the intricate web of human existence. It challenges us to consider the biological imperatives and the ethical dilemmas that would arise in such a situation. From the genetic bottlenecks that could threaten the survival of future generations to the moral responsibilities of those two individuals, the layers of complexity are vast and profound. While the odds are undeniably stacked against them, the resilience of life and the potential for human ingenuity offer a glimmer of possibility, however improbable. Human history is replete with examples of overcoming insurmountable odds, from the survival of early humans to the remarkable advancements in science and technology that have shaped our modern world. This resilience is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, a spirit that refuses to be extinguished even in the face of the most daunting challenges. This thought experiment, though rooted in a hypothetical scenario, compels us to confront fundamental questions about genetic diversity, the fragility of human existence, and our responsibilities as stewards of life on Earth. It forces us to reflect on the delicate balance that sustains life and the intricate connections that bind us all. The importance of genetic diversity cannot be overstated, as it is the foundation upon which the resilience and adaptability of species are built. Without it, the very fabric of life would be at risk, unraveling the complex tapestry that has been woven over millennia. Ultimately, it reminds us that even in the face of unimaginable challenges, the universe is a place of infinite possibilities where hope, however faint, can flicker eternally. The vast expanse of the cosmos, with its countless stars and galaxies, serves as a poignant reminder of the boundless potential that lies within and beyond us. It is a call to embrace the unknown, to venture into uncharted territories with courage and curiosity, and to hold on to hope, no matter how dim it may seem. For in the grand tapestry of existence, every thread, no matter how small, contributes to the beauty and wonder of the whole.